is a comprehensive uninstallation tool designed to help users completely remove unwanted software from their computers. Unlike the default uninstaller in Windows, Absolute Uninstaller goes the extra mile by not only removing applications but also cleaning up leftover files, folders, and registry entries that can accumulate over time. This ensures that your system remains free of unnecessary clutter, helping improve overall performance and prevent issues related to incomplete uninstallation. One of the standout features of Absolute Uninstaller is its thorough scanning process. After a program is uninstalled, the software scans the system for any leftover files or registry entries that may have been missed during the removal process. This complete uninstallation helps users reclaim disk space and avoid the potential slowdowns caused by residual data. The tool also allows users to remove bundled software or pre-installed applications that are typically difficult to uninstall through conventional methods. In addition to its powerful uninstallation features, Absolute Uninstaller offers a convenient batch uninstall option. This allows users to select and remove multiple programs at once, streamlining the uninstallation process for those with a large number of applications to remove. The software's ability to handle multiple uninstallations at once saves time and effort, making it ideal for users looking to clean up their system quickly. Absolute Uninstaller also provides a detailed log of the uninstallation process, ensuring that users have full visibility into the actions being taken. This log feature helps users verify that no important files were accidentally removed during the cleanup. Additionally, the software offers a user-friendly interface with simple navigation, making it accessible to both novice and experienced users. Whether you're cleaning up old programs, removing stubborn software, or ensuring a complete uninstallation, Absolute Uninstaller is an effective and reliable solution. Its advanced removal features, batch uninstall capability, and thorough cleanup make it an essential tool for maintaining a fast, efficient, and organized computer system.